simplify this maths problem. So worry not, let's work it out within the shortest time possible. So solution. So on our solution, we have 5 to the power of k plus 5 to the power of k is equals to 500. So we are asked to solve for the value for k. So the first thing that you need to do is to simplify. So now we shall have it by having 5 to the power of k into bracket 1 plus 1 is equals to 500. So the next is now 5 to the power of k into bracket 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 500. So we shall now have to divide both sides by 2. So divide by 2, divide by 2. So now 2 by 2 now shall cancel. So that now 5 to the power of k is equals to 2 here once, 2 into 500, it goes there 250 times is equals to 250. So next it is for us now to introduce the log. So here now shall now have the log of 5 to the power of k is equals to the log of 250. So assuming that you have the log of p to the power of m, this one can be written as m, the log of p. So similarly, the log of 5 to the power of k, we can still have it as k the log of 5. So k the log of 5 is equals to the log of 250. So the next thing that you need to do is to remove log 5 so that now we can remain with k. So let's all divide both sides by the log of 5. Then also this side, let's divide by the log of 5. So log 5 and log 5 now shall cancel, so that now the value for k is now have at the log of 250 all over the log of 5. So we can still move ahead and simplify it further by now having it as k is equals to, so the log of 250 can be written as the log of, so 25 multiplied by 10. So 25 multiplied by 10, then all over the log of 5. So assuming that you have, for example, the log of a multiplied by b, this one can be written as the log of a, then plus the log of b. So similarly, we shall now have it as k to be now is equals to, so the log of 25 plus the log of 10, then all over the log of 5. So next is to divide both sides by the log of 5. So now the value of k shall now be equals to the log of 25, then all over the log of 5, then plus log 10 all over the log of 5. So we shall now have it as, so next now we shall now have it as now the value for k is equals to, so the log of 25 can be written as the log of 5 multiplied by 5. So that is now 5 to the power of 2, then all over the log of 5 plus, so the log of 10 can be written as the log of 5 multiplied by 2, then all over the log of 5. So next is k is equals to, so the log of 5 to the power of 2 can be written as 2 the log of 5, then all over the log of 5, then plus, so in this case now we shall now have it as the log of 5, then plus the log of 2, then all over the log of 5. So next now is the value for k is equals to, so log 5 and log 5 shall cancel, so here now shall remain with 2, then plus, so in this case we shall now have to divide both sides by the log of 5, that is now the log of 5 all over the log of 5 plus the log of 2 all over the log of 5. So we shall now have it as k is equals to 2 plus log 5 and log 5 shall cancel, so now shall remain with 1 plus the log of 2 all over the log of 5. So assuming that you have, for example, the log of m all over the log of n, so we shall have this one as the log of m to the base of n. So that is to mean that now our final answer shall be the value for k is equals to, so 2 plus 1 is 3, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 5. So if you really loved how we solved this maths problem up to this point, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.